Welcome to NCL Tours. We offer flights to worldwide destinations. We provide holiday packages, hotels and transportation. We run luxury coach trips to European destinations across France, Germany, Switzerland and many more. To book a holiday to any destinations around the world, please visit our website on www.ncltours.co.uk, or why not give us a call to speak to one of our travel experts on 0208 900 1624. NCL Tours, Atoll Protected.
Democratic Republic of Congo. His Excellency Joseph Kabila Kabange, President of the Democratic Republic of the Congo.